Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery of this Nissan key fob. So the first thing you're going to do is push this tab right here, and then after that pull the inside key. After you pull the inside key, there's a slot here, both sides, and you can wedge or just like twist so that you can open the key fob. So after you see a little bit crack open, then use this screwdriver to slide it or unopen it. Use your nails if you have nails, and after that, okay, it's already open. So after you open the key fob, you are going to remove the battery using the small flat screwdriver just on the side. Okay. The battery is CR2032. So replace. So I suggest that after you open the key fob, you need to clean a little bit at the side. Just there's lots of dirt, so that next time when you're going to open again, it is much easier to open it. Just at the side, both sides. Then after that, you can put back the battery facing this side like this. You see that one. Put here. If this is your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that every time I will upload a new video, you will be notified. And also, check my other video like interview question and answer, hydraulic pneumatic, FANUC robotics, motor controls, and many more. Okay, make sure that it's seated properly. Then after that, get your key fob and put it back together. Until you hear the snap. When you hear the snap, when you push it, that's the time that you will know that the key fob is already closed. Then after that, press again, then put this inside the key. You can clean it also, the key. Make sure that it's easy to remove in the future. Now you have a new battery on your key fob. Thank you for watching. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that every time I will upload a new video, or you will be notified. Thank you.